sisters, brothers of this beautiful land, Kerala, my namaskar to you. I would have loved to spend more time here. எனக்கு இன்னும் நிறைய டைம் இங்க கொடுக்கணுமா இருக்கு. ஆனா இப்போ நான் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றேன் இங்கிலீஷ் ஹிந்தி தமிழ்ல மிக்ஸ் பண்ணி so that translationக்கு ரொம்ப ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லாம. केरला गॉड्स ओन कंट्री நம்ம எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும். सबको मालूम है केरला गॉड्स ओन कंट्री. मगर आजकल क्या हो रही है இப்பெல்லாம் என்ன நடந்துட்டு இருக்கீங்க? Whatever is happening in Kerala is cause for severe concern. There's just no law and order. I can go on elaborating on the number of things which are going against the law and order of a peaceful, beautiful state like Kerala. You want to translate or should I continue? So, if I go on saying about law and order, violence, enga parthalum violence. Not God's own country if violence is constantly here. Now, suma anjada list pandre violence, but violence is rampant. I'm giving you only list of 5. Valaya rape case, Kripesh Saratlal murder, my heart breaks when I have to say this. A young party activist, RSS Pracharak, Nandu Krishna, was God's own country. Is this God's own country? I asked the Chief Minister. Is this God's own country or is this the CPM violent culture which is spread in West Bengal? You're doing it here for several years. ये नहीं चलेगा. God's own country अभी fundamentalist own country बनने जा रही है. I am afraid to say this. God's own country is now gradually becoming fundamentalist own country. And the government is not worried because वो एक alliance में है नहीं भी है. Alliance इरका आना इल्ला. SDPI ஓட alliance இருக்கா? இல்ல வெளியில இல்ல. ஆனா பின்பக்கம் இருக்க alliance. Backhanded alliance with SDPI. So no fundamentalist misbehavior will be questioned. இல்லனா 1921 ல Hindu genocide மாப்பிள்ளா rebellion அது இப்போ सेलिब्रेट பண்றா. आजकल 1921 का मापिल्ला रेबेलियन को सेलिब्रेट करने का प्रोसेशन परमिशन मिल रही है फंडामेंटलिस्ट को. उसके खिलाफ कांग्रेस पार्टी भी कोई बात उठाते नहीं है. माइनॉरिटी अपीसमेंट नहीं है, फंडामेंटलिस्ट का अपीसमेंट हो रही है केरला में. गॉड्स ओन कंट्री. हम इन सबको देख के बैठना है क्या? Are we to watch all this happening quietly? मैं आपसे पूछ रही हूं. ना उंगले विழிக்கிறது, ना उंगले கேட்கிறது, பிரश्नக்கிறது. Are we to quietly watch all this? No. Are we to quietly watch all this? நம்ம சும்மா பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கணுமா அத? No. We should go like the way you did in municipality election. Like the way you did in the municipality elections. Shabarimala Ayyappanuடைய க்ஷேத்திரம் municipality பட்டணம் திட்டால எப்படி கெளிச்சது ஜெயிச்சது? How did he win it? कैसे हमने जीता उस क्षेत्र में? Like that you have to now show through the vote ballot boxes कि ऐसे फंडामेंटलिस्ट का चुपचाप सहयोग देने वाले सरकार को हम मदद देना नहीं चाहिए किसी भी सूरत में. So we need to protest, we need to fight that. So law and order vishayamla, I have highlighted about 5 issues. The 5th issue which I have to mention is Surendranji's Vijaya Yatra. Started in Kasaragod. UP's respected and popular Chief Minister, a constitutional authority, Shri Yogi Adityanath comes to inaugurate. That day, communists who are scared of BJP, communists who are hand in glove with the Congress, here they are opposition, but in Kerala they are those, West Bengal they are those. Here they are in opposition, but when it comes to fundamentalist violence, both of them will not talk. Hypocrisy is the order of Communist Party of Kerala here, CPM. Hypocrisy. Partnership in West Bengal, but here outside they are enemies. But Piche, they are talking with SDPI. Give permission for protest against Yogi Adityanath coming in support of Surendranji. He comes to inaugurate a political party, a national party, world's biggest party, BJP Vijaya Yatra, and there are protest march and there is violence. That is why, that is the 5th example of law and order total failure in Kerala. Corruption. Another list I can give you, but I will only name 3, which are very recent. Kerala budget was prepared. Kerala budget was presented, but it was given only to one particular. All money is given to one KIFB. I don't know what budget making is when it can all be given only to one KIFB. Kerala Infrastructure Investment Fund Board. What is this organization? We also make budget in the union government. We don't give all the money to one particular agency and say, TK, dekhte hain. CAG, Controller and Auditor General, has commented on that, has criticized that. Total questionable operation. If this is budget making, no wonder Kerala is going into a debt trap. And this is a questionable affair, corruption. Second corruption, the deep sea overseas agreement which they did with EMCC, worth 5,000 crore. You do it with some foreign company. And then you say there will be 2 motherships and then about 400 trawlers. Who will get the trawlers? Who are these parties? Why is this agreement with somebody outside without the government, people knowing about it? Kerala, Prajalku unnum theriyadu. Agreement with somebody outside. Second case, serious case of corruption. Third, PSC recruitment. One 28-year-old girl, Anu, committed suicide waiting for job. Boy, sorry. Waited for jobs. Didn't get. But who's getting the job? CPM card holders. Rishtedar, relatives of ministers. These 3 are sufficient to show how corruption has become completely entrenched in the Communist Party of Marxist Kerala. The left front government is only doing favoritism, making money, and totally denying people of Kerala what is by rule due to them. Now, if this is the way the government is going to run, how long more are you going to see this? Innu ethara naal venum namukku? Gold smuggling. CM's office itself is alleged to have some link. His own top IAS was with this office, handpicked by him, is being questioned. சோலார் ஸ்கேண்டல்ல ஒரு ஸ்வப்னா சரிதா, இங்க ஸ்வப்னா சுரேஷ், எல்லாம் எஸ் எஸ் எஸ். அந்த சோலார் ஸ்கேம் அப்படியே இருந்துட்டு இருக்கு. சரிதா, இங்க ஸ்வப்னா சுரேஷ் அப்படியே இருக்கு. டைரக்ட்லி லிங்க்ட் வித் தி சிஎம்ஸ் ஆபீஸ். No answers. Congress, which questions everybody about corruption in this country, does not question this chief minister here. When Rahul Gandhi was in Wayanad, no questions asked about the CM on gold smuggling. Another cabinet minister, KT Jalil, is also being asked questions on gold smuggling. Any other government, CM's office allegedly involved, one cabinet minister being questioned. On drug smuggling, top general secretary who was also minister, who then went back to the party, his son is arrested in Bengaluru. Drug smuggling, God's own country, gold smuggling, drug smuggling, killing, hacking to death, God's own country. मैं केरला जनता से हाथ जोड़ करके बहुत विनम्रता से पूछ रही हूं, आप कैसे इसको गॉड्स ओन कंट्री माना जाता है? हाउ कैन वी आई वॉन्ट यू, द सिटीजन्स ऑफ दिस ब्यूटिफुल स्टेट, टू प्लीज एंश्योर people who are making this God's own country to become like this, people celebrating Hindu genocide, people rampantly doing gold smuggling, drugs in Kerala. ये नहीं है God's own country. ये नहीं है God's own country. Please, I want people of Kerala to please remember, this is that state which has Adi Shankara's culture. This is that state which has Mahatma Ayyankali's culture. This is the state with Chattambi Swamigal culture. This is the state with Sri Narayana Gurudev's culture. This is the state with Mannathu Padmanabhan's culture. And this is the state with Ayya Vaikunda Swamigal culture. Where is this Kerala going? I would humbly request all of you all to bring everyone known to you, your relatives, your friends, everybody, on that polling day and show what you can do to bring back Kerala to that culture which made this state God's own country. If all this is what I want to hold against the government here, I want to ask, even without much representation in the parliament for BJP here, what has Narendra Modi ji as our Prime Minister done for Kerala? I'll only list 6 things. There are many more. இன்னும் நிறைய இருக்கு. ஆனா 6 சொல்றேன் உங்களுக்கு. 6 specific recently Kerala கோசம் பண்ண activities. 65,000 crores Kerala National Highway க்கு கொடுத்திருக்கு. 65,000 crores. Kochi Metro 1,957 crores. 47 வருஷமா வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்த ஆலப்புழா பைபாஸ் இப்ப கம்ப்ளீட் ஆயிடுச்சு. 47 வருஷம் காங்கிரஸ் பண்ணல, சிபிஎம் பண்ணல, எல்டிஎஃப் இல்ல, யூடிஎஃப் இல்ல, யாரும் பண்ணல. ஆனா கேரளால இருந்து ஒரு எம்பி இல்ல லோக்சபா பிஜேபிக்கு. பட் மோடிஜி டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணல. மோடிஜி did not say எனக்கு இங்க ஒரு எம்பி இல்ல நான் ஏன் பண்ணணும். நோ, எல்லா ஸ்டேட்டும் முன்னேறணும். சப்கா சாத் சப்கா விகாஸ். 5,070 crores Pugalur Thrissur transmission project, major project. 5,070 crores கொடுத்திருக்கு. அதுக்கு அதுல காசர்கோடு சோலார் பவர் ப்ராஜெக்ட் வரும், வாட்டர் ட்ரீட்மெண்ட், அருவிக்கராக்கி எல்லாம் சேர்த்து 5,070 crore. 6,000 crores பாரத் பெட்ரோலியம் के ஒரு பர்టిక్యులர் PDPP polypropylene யூனிட் இன்ஸ்டாலேஷனுக்கு 6000 crores in கொச்சி. ரோரோ வில்லிங்டன் ஐலண்ட்ல கொடுத்திருக்கு. அதுக்கும் நம்ம தான் வாட்டர்வேஸ், இன்லண்ட் வாட்டர்வேஸ் கோசம். இப்படி நான் லிஸ்ட் பண்ணலாம். பட் அல்டிமேட்லி சுரேந்திரன்ஜியோட விஜய யாத்ரால ஐ எம் ஹாப்பி டு பார்ட்டிசிபேட். ஏன், वाई, क्यों मैं इधर आने में बहुत खुश हूं? अरिमदि विमुक्तम, प्रीणन विरुद्धम, समग्र विकसनम, இது மூணும் வேணும் நமக்கு. அழிமதி விமுக்தம் வேணும், corruption I listed out. प्रीणन विरुद्धम வேணும், we don't want any appeasement here. Already appeasement இருக்கக்கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லும்போது 1921ல நடந்த மாப்பிள்ளா ரெபெலியனுக்கு செலிப்ரேஷன் நடக்கிறது. And what was the slogan? I'm very worried. அப்ப என்ன ஸ்லோகன் சொன்னா? அந்த ஸ்லோகன் 1921 ஸ்லோகன் is being repeated now. கேரளத்தில் இருக்கும் ஒவ்வொருவர் blood கூட பாயில் ஆகணும். 1921 ஒரு ஸ்லோகன் சொல்லி ஹிந்து ஜெனோசைட் ஆச்சு. அதே ஸ்லோகன் இப்ப ரிப்பீட் ஆகுது. I can't hear it. I can't hear it for thinking what this country is going to go to. நான் அந்த ஸ்லோகனை ரிப்பீட் பண்றேன். I want to say that slogan only because I'm sure not one of you all will agree. 21 ஊரிய வாள் அரபிக் கடலில் எரிஞ்சிட்டில்ல. Shame on the government of Pinarayi. Shame on the government of Pinarayi. அந்த ஸ்லோகன் திரும்பி சொல்றது is against this country's constitution. It's against the country's constitution. Will any of you all agree? Will you want this slogan in this beautiful God's own country? We will fight to make this government understand that they are supporting fundamentalists who are responsible for genocide in Kerala of Hindus. அந்த ஸ்லோகன் இப்ப சொல்றான்னா அவங்கள அரெஸ்ட் பண்ண வேண்டாம், அவங்கள ஜெயில போட வேண்டாம், அவங்களுக்கு क्वेश्चन கேட்க வேண்டாம், அவங்களுக்கு அகைன்ஸ்ட் ஆக்ஷன் எடுக்க வேண்டாமா? பினராயன் சர்க்கார் should answer. Congress, which is in alliance with, in a way, backdoor alliance with CPM, should answer. Should Rahul Gandhi look the other way when this is happening in Kerala? He is an MP from this state. I can go on. I don't want to talk about Karuna, God's own country. The state government spent a lot of time doing PR. We are doing very well. We are doing very well. Today in patches, about 1/3 of country's active cases. 1/3 of country's active cases are in Kerala. I would want, and I will say namaskaram and tell Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan to attend to that. Take care of the citizens. Vaccine is available from tomorrow. Modi ji ensured vaccine is given for all Corona warriors first. From first tomorrow, it will be available even in private hospitals for citizens above 60 years. It will be available even for citizens above 45 who have comorbidities. They can go to the government hospital to get it free, and those who can pay 250 rupees to go and get it from the private hospitals. So with all this, I also have to return to Delhi tonight. I won't take more of your time. I am very grateful all of you all came here. உங்க எல்லாருக்கும் நன்றி. ஆனா பிஜேபியை மறக்காதீங்க. பிஜேபிக்கு ஓட்டு போடுங்க. கமலம் ஜெயிக்கணும். கமலம் ஜெயிக்கணும். பாரத் மாதா கி. भारत माता की. भारत माता की. Thank you.